Welcome to this screencast. I'm Dr. Cindy Becker, one of the lecturers in the Department of English Literature at the University of Reading. And today I'm going to be looking with you at the word its. If you've ever been confused about when you put the apostrophe in its and when you don't, you're probably quite right to be confused. Many people are. So I'm going to work through it with you step by step. It's true that many students loathe it and its strange behaviour. As soon as it's been conquered, it seems to slide away from its apostrophe again. Now this example is true, and it's also grammatically correct. It is an odd word because it uses the apostrophe in a rather strange and unexpected way. But you don't need to worry. Once you've mastered two simple rules, it will never go wrong for you again. So let's look at the rules. Its, with the apostrophe, is an abbreviated version of it is or it has. And as with other similar contractions, the apostrophe shows where letters and a space have been left out. In the second example here, it's without the apostrophe. It's the word in its possessive form. That is, something belongs to it, and you're trying to show that in your writing. So here are some examples. In the first example, it's never too late for a dog to obey its master. The first example of it's there with the apostrophe is an abbreviated form of it is never too late for a dog. In the second example, it's about time its fur was clipped. The first it's with the apostrophe is again it is about time its fur was clipped. In the third example, it's just eaten its dinner. There the abbreviation is for it has just eaten its dinner. And all the second uses of its, in each of those examples, the ones without the apostrophe, are all in the possessive. Okay, so the dog is belonging to the master, the fur belongs to the dog, and so does the dinner. One way you can remember this, which I always like, is that you can think of it as a magic trick. In each of these examples, the apostrophe is just like a magic trick. Now you see it, now you don't. So all you have to do is remember one of these examples and think of the magic trick, and it should work for you. The nice thing about the word its is if ever you use it''s in a formal situation, that is an essay maybe or a report, you've just got it wrong. Either you're contracting your words, and you wouldn't normally do that formally. You wouldn't normally write you'll, don't, we're, shouldn't, wouldn't, couldn't, all of those contractions. Or you're trying to say something belongs to it, in which case there is no apostrophe. So once you've grasped the two main rules, you will never get it wrong again. Thank you for listening.